course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit and Lecture 53 Machine Based Working Principle. Agenda for today present in this video of the planar machines, crosstail, tool heads, size of specification of planar and planar tools, work holding devices, difference between the planar and cyper drilling machines, and working principle of drilling machines. Classification of the cyper planar machine based on the cross trains of the workpiece. Cross tail. The cross tail of the is mounted on the precision of machined way of the two housing. It may be carried or lowered and housing of accommoded work of different heights on the table of allow of the adjustment of tools. Tool heads. The, the tool heads are mounted on the cross-tail housing by means of the saddle, which is allied of the rail of housing beam. Its saddle may be made or mounted on the transversely of across the tail, give the cross feed form of the sun. The addition of these tools had these other two tools had which is mounted on the each of housing. The size and standard specification of the planar machine. The planar is generally give the following width of the table in mm. The maximum distance of the table for cross sled of the meter में the maximum distance in of the table of the work to the cross of the planer, the maximum stock of the table in जो भी हमारा स्टॉक मूवल करेगा वो में फॉर एग्जांपल स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डबल हाउसिंग प्लानर साइज 750 to 350. It is the or 2.5 meters means. If the planar machine work on the 750 height and 350 and length 2.5 meter, a double housing planar is also available in size 3000 into 3000 and 18.5. The addition of above a planar size following the particular arcs also give the specified of planar length of the bed, length of the table, types of drive, and power of the motor, and number of speed of feed इत्यादि. The planar tools is required for the working in the use for the tools in the planar machine. The planar tools are mostly with the high of the this made of the high speed the commanded for the carbide type tools also used in the planar of produce of work. The planar tool is smaller housing of the saper where depth of the cut heavy and cutting stock are large. The planar tool is large size. This is the tool is the tool straight cutter of the this is the tip of the tool and the round nose. This is the tool is the tip of the round hole. Square nose. The nose of the tool is square form, and this is the tool is the goes nose. This is the goes nose and growing of the slotting tools. This is the growing of the slotting tools. E.g. The the slot T slot cutting tool. This is the T slot of the cutting tools of the workpiece and the tell of styled or cutting tools. This is the tools and this is the made of and right hand and left hand straight. This is the left right hand and cutting tool. This is the right. This is the right hand. This is the left hand. Left hand and right hand. Right left. This is the tool is the straight hand and left hand and second is the bend of the tool is the rough of tool. The work holding of devices. Since the cutting force is a plane of work quite by heavy, therefore essential that work is connected rapidly to of the doesn't shift of the position during the planar. The various work holding devices are wise to step or block, soft top pans or jacks, bolt T bolt of the clamp. This is this is the T slot of clamp. This is the tool head clamp. This is the clamp, and this is the workpiece. Is holding of the workpiece mounted. This is the workpiece. This is the tool of working, and workpiece is the work from the stop of the pin, safety pin of the stop. Mm. And the assistant of the this is the workpiece and this is the tool post of the and assistant of stop. This is the tool of work and the work for the workpiece. This is the work on the clamp. This is the clamp in the workpiece. The V block of the V block and T bolt of the workpiece. This is the bolt of the nut is crossing of the bolt of the table. Difference between planer and shaper machines. Planer and shaper. First of all, it is the heavy duty of machine tools. This is the heavy machine tools. It require more floor area. It is the light duty of machine tools, halki machine. It require less floor area. It is adapt to the large work. It is used for small works. The more than one cutting tool can use at a time. एक ही समय में एक ही टूल यूज होता है प्लेनर मशीन में इसमें ओनली वन कटिंग टूल इज यूज एट ए टाइम more cutting than one tool is the use. The tool is fixed and work piece is moved. In work is separate the work is fixed and tool is moved. Planar is the event by driven by gear of the hydraulic means the it is normally driven by crank and slaughter where the quick return motion of the mechanism. heavy feed of the applied, and it can take deep of cut, light feed of applied, and it cannot take the deeper work setting require much of still and take the large time of the workpiece. It work may be climbed the easily or quickly. Tool use are of large size. Tool use in the small size of the machine. Drilling machine. What is a drilling machine? The basic purpose of drilling machine is drills cylindrical hole workpiece metallic and non-metallic materials. The metallic and non-metallic materials holes are cut out the material with the cutting tools which known as drill. The drill is fixed in the rotating spindle can feed or toward workpiece is made by fixed to table or waist of the machine. The speed of the spindle is feed and adjusted according to the workpiece. This is the workpiece. This is the slot of the workpiece through holes or in the slot. This is the holding of the piece. And the second is the bend hole. This is the workpiece, and this is the hole is bent to the workpiece. This is the hole in this workpiece of the particularly as the hole. This is the finishing of the code of casting, and this is the drilling enlarging the existing of hole. This is the workpiece, and these two drilling tools in this workpiece. This is the cut for the metal of the enlarge of the holes existing. This is the tip on the existing hole. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the Cyper and Planar machine. Both are machines in the main properties and the present for the difference between Cyper and Planar machine.